Hi, Warrenville friends. Just a little message from my very messy kitchen to let you know one of the fun things I've been up to during this extended period of time is making my own yogurt in an Instapot. It started because I couldn't find our favorite plain Greek yogurt at the beginning of all this madness in the grocery stores. And then I realized through a little internet research that I could make my own in the Instapot that I already had sitting around on my counter. If you would like to find some fun things that you could do with your Instapot at home, you can look up Instapot on Hoopla and find at least 15 ebook cookbooks that will give you ideas for things you can do at home. I know I had put a bunch on hold before the stay-at-home order happened and they didn't come into the library. So I'm just like you, I'm waiting for the library books to be available too, but until then, we can make the best of all the e-resources available. What fun things have you been up to in your kitchen?